meet Dennis. Is you cool?
Kind of like hip-hop. Yo, I'm cool. Yo, cool. Yeah.
One of my best friends lives in Ghana.
Good.
So my Ghana name is Yam.
Yao.
Yeah, it's Yao. Not Yam.
Not Yao. Yao.
Yeah.
Were you born on a Thursday?
Yes.
Yes, that's Yao.
It's Yao.
Yao, please, Yao.
Well, I've been telling everybody in the States that it's Yam. So now I got to change that it's Yao.
Yao.
He said, were you born on a Thursday? I said, yeah, because that's the way it works. Your cultural name is on the day you were born.
Yeah.
So Thursday in Ghana, Yao. All right, so let's get it on. We've got the top 8 answers on the board. Here we go, fellas. Name something that makes a noise in the house. Dennis.
Cricket.
The cricket. The cricket that lives in the house.
The dog.
The dog. The dog that lives in the house.
Yes! Yo, we play.
We all play. Let's go, man. You're cool. What do you do for a living?
I'm a professional event MC. I'm fitting to take your spot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You gonna take my spot? That's good, man. It's always good to have a goal. Yeah. Yeah, you should have goals. Everybody should have goals and aspirations. That's what you should do. So what made you want my spot, though?
You know how you like to talk about men and how we can develop?
Yes.
Yes. So I have the same aspirations. I panel on a radio show for men by men.
Oh, okay.
It's called Unmasking Manhood.
Unmasking Manhood.
Manhood.
I created a TV show in the States called Man Cave,
You see?
where I had men talking.
So I'm fitting to take your spot.
No, you're not. Now, do I want you to become successful? Very. Do I think you can have a spot of your own? Yes.
Yeah.
Will you one day be a big star? Probably, yes. But you will not
your
be
spot.
Steve Harvey. All right, man, introduce everybody.
So these are my brothers, these are my boys. This is Selom, this is Isihini, and this is Robert.
Okay, good. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, Selim, what do you do?
I run a software company
Oh, okay, good. How long you been doing that?
for 10 years.
Yeah. You married?
No, I'm single.
Oh, yeah. You dating somebody?
No.
No. So you just in Ghana just going to work?
Pretty much.
You gonna tell me, as a member of the male species, that you're not dating a female?
No, I'm not dating.
Why
Set him up, Steve.
would you not date the woman?
I'm looking.
They're everywhere. What do you mean you're looking? They are here.
I can
They outside. They're at
I
the
can
grocery
see,
store.
Steve.
They're at the church.
Church.
What are you looking for in a woman?
I'm looking for a woman who understands me, who is ready to support me the way I want her to.
See, you're looking for a woman who wants me. You are looking for a woman to support me. In return, what does she get?
I give her everything I have.
Now we talking. See, now we talking. Now, the reason you're not dating and you don't have a woman is because you have not told her that. You keep talking about what you want, what you need, what she can do for you, what she can do for me. Women today are not signing up for that anymore.
All right?
I promised Marjorie everything. You know what I gave her? Everything.
Everything. Thank you, Steve.
So now, what's the name of your show? Is Unmasking Man.
Manhood.
You should have him as a guest on your show. So he can take his damn mask off. Because you got the wrong mask on. All right, let's play. Name something that makes a noise in the house.
Cats.
Cats.
So good, so good.
Tell me your name.
My name is Esihini.
Asahini. What do you do?
Esihini. I'm a creative consultant and filmmaker.
Yeah. Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So have you talked to him about
We've
this?
been trying.
He's not understanding?
Well, we need to unmask him first.
You got to get his mask off. You got work to do. I want the woman that understands me, supports me.
Me.
All the women in here now are mad. What you gonna do for us?
Me.
It's gonna happen. Name something that makes a noise in the house.
I'm gonna go with a radio.
Radio. Robert, what do you do, sir?
I'm an author and a dance entrepreneur.
A dance entrepreneur? What does that mean?
I promote dance, but I promote it in different ways. I have a dance television program. I have a dance academy where we teach.
Oh, you teach dance? What kind of dance you teach?
Afro dance, salsa, kizomba, you know,
Salsa?
everything.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can salsa.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show us something.
But I don't have no woman, so.
Yeah, you don't have no woman, so. I like that, boy. You was doing it. That boy was out there getting it. Then he threw that little... Put that soul in it, that Africa. I like that, man. So you married?
Yeah, I'm married.
Yeah, because you was out dancing one night and she saw you.
True.
See, I know exactly. She was out there dancing. She said, oh. I want him to do that to me. All right, that's good, man. Y'all got any kids?
There's one in the tummy.
Oh, there's one in the tummy?
Yep.
You want a boy or a girl?
It's a boy already, man.
Oh, yeah, man. All right, let's go, man. Name something that makes a noise in the house.
Typical Ghanaian situation. I'm gonna go for a refrigerator.
Good answer. Good answer.
Your refrigerator makes noise?
Oh, in Ghanaian homes, yes.
Refrigerator supposed to be quiet. If I go in my kitchen, I hear nothing. The refrigerator. All right, you're cool. Something that makes a noise in the house.
I'll go with that TV.
The TV. Something that makes a noise in the house.
The door.
The door.
Good answer.
Yes.
My man, you got, wait a minute. Oh, that's him. That's the truck. Name something that makes a noise in the house.
I'm going to go with the roof.
Yes, Steve.
It's in the house.
Exactly.
You understand that if your roof is in your house, you have a major problem, sir. That's worse than the refrigerator making noise. The roof. All right, we got 2 strikes. We got to be careful, Robert. The home family can steal. Name something that makes a noise in the house.
I'll go for foul.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good answer. Good answer.
What? What?
Yes.
You have a chicken in your house?
Rooster in the house.
A rooster in the house?
Every morning.
What?
Wakes you up in the morning.
You ain't got an iPhone?
We are natural.
You have a chicken in the house? Name something that makes a noise in the house.
Babies.
The babies. Number 7. 3.